A very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we discussed about kinds of sentences. Today, we are going to discuss about the later part of the chapter, that is, parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Dear students, every sentence has two parts. When we make a sentence, we name some person or thing and say something about that person or about that thing. The part of a sentence which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. And the part of a sentence which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of a sentence. Here you have seen in your book the word written in green, that is note. Means there are some important points to remember. First point is that the subject may have only one word or a group of words. Let's take some examples. Ram is a good boy. In this sentence, we have only one subject, that is Ram. Another example. All the members of the team played well. In this sentence, all the members of the team is the subject of the sentence. Means it is not a single word, it's a group of words. From these examples, we have understood that the subjects may be of one word or groups of words. Next point, as you have seen in your book, is the subject often says who or what performs the action that the verb refers to. Let's take an example. The earth moves around the sun. In this sentence, who has performed the action? The earth. So the earth is the subject of the sentence. Third point is that in statements, the subject is usually placed before the predicate. For example, they have bought the books. Here, they is the subject which is placed before the predicate have bought the books. But there is an exception in case of interrogative and exclamatory sentences. In interrogative and exclamatory sentences, the word order is slightly changed and the subject is not placed first. Let us take an example of an interrogative sentence. Is he your friend? It is an interrogative sentence. Here, the subject is not placed first, so you have to find out. The subject is your. Similarly, let's take an exclamatory sentence. How beautiful the butterfly is. In this sentence, the butterfly is the subject of the sentence which is not placed in the beginning. Thus, we have understood that to find out the subject in case of exclamatory and interrogative sentence, we should ask the question to ourselves like that, like what is the sentence about? The answer to this question is the subject. Another point, as you have seen in your book, is that imperative sentences do not have subject. You have already learned what is an imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, request or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Now let's take an example. If someone say, sit down. In this sentence, the subjective is you remain on the stool. It's not clearly mentioned. So we have understood a lot of things about subject and predicate of sentence. That's the end of the chapter here. I hope you have understood. Go through the chapter thoroughly in one sitting. And if there is any doubt, clarify by calling me or by sending some message through my WhatsApp number. And also complete the homework which is attached with this video and sent to me. Thank you.